internal audit. They didn't accept any of his proof. I filed a tax court case. The appeals agent gave him the proof again in an organized format, resulted in zero tax due.
At that point, did you think that he's a professional gambler? He's in the business of?
Yeah, he could have been, and that's a whole different issue in terms of tax compliance. But I won on that audit. Again, the trick is the audits, you deal the best you can internally. Best of the taxpayer does not respond to the agent, but hires a professional like you or me or someone else.
Mm-hmm.
The taxpayer was giving the information himself. And whatever format they gave, it was not professional or the IRS didn't understand it. They continued the process and they went to the 90-day notice. If we were involved early in the process, same thing I did in tax court. Without having to go to tax court, could have been done.
Yeah,
so most of the times
do audit reconsideration and get it resolved that way too.
Right. I see a lot of those. Again, the audit process, you get the first notice, you should respond to it. You should be hiring a professional. Don't do it yourself. Don't go to the field office. If they insist, have your professional do that. If all else fails, tax court is your option. From my experience, the cases that have been filed have been very successful, almost 100% winning on those. But let's say, for example, someone loses in tax court. Now, you went through the audit, you went to tax court. Well, it's not all over at that point. You still got all the tools. You got the offer and compromise, assuming you qualify. You have the installment agreement. You have penalty abatement. There's a lot of tools to apply to deal with that tax, even if the taxpayer has lost in tax court.
It's very good that you brought that up because it's important for the taxpayer to know that if they did lose, they still need to come up with some kind of resolution to stop any type of collection activity.
Correct. And that's what we do.